welcome back to my channel. My name's Sarah. If you're new here, basically what we do here is create fun, interesting, different recipes. We have snacks, we create different meals, breakfast, lunch, dinner. So today what I thought I'd do is make a banana oat loaf. It's a great snack idea. It's also a great breakfast idea, an easy quick breakfast that you can make on the run. Yeah, so let's get straight into it. Okay, so first, what we're going to do is use some wholemeal self-raising flour. The wholemeal flour is good as it contains more fiber than normal plain white flour. So what I'm going to do is put in about 1 1/4 cups of that. Yeah, so basically it's got more fiber in it because this flour contains all parts of the wheat plants. And yeah, so it means you'll feel fuller for longer than for recipes that contain normal plain white flour. So I've got the flour in there. I'm also going to put 1/4 cup of some brown sugar in here as well. I'm just going to measure that out, and this will make it taste a bit more sweet, but we're not putting too much in. So, 1/4 cup of that. And then I'm also going to put some baking soda in. I'm just going to put in about 1/2 teaspoon of that. And also I'm going to put in about 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And I'm also going to put 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder in as well. So this will just help the oat. Okay, and then I'm also going to put a cup of rolled oats in, obviously. So this will be the main part of the mixture. Rolled oats are really good for lowering cholesterol. Basically, everyone should be eating lots of oats every day. So I'm basically just going to mix all the dry ingredients together, making sure all the little parts are broken up. Okay, so that's done. Now I'm going to use 2 bananas. You want 2 ripe bananas. These are the only bananas I had, so they're not too ripe. I probably would have liked them a bit more riper, but I'll just have to do. So we're just going to mush them up in a bowl. I'm just going to use a fork, and basically you just want to mush them up like so. Okay, so when you've mushed up your bananas, so they're looking pretty good, now we're going to add the eggs. So you want 1 egg, whole egg white as well as the yolk. Going to put that in there, I'm just putting that into the banana mixture. And then you also want 2 eggs, just the egg whites. And then you're also just going to mix them through the banana till it becomes a nice, runny, smooth mixture. Okay, so it's kind of, if you can see it, it's pretty runny. Now I've got that. I'm also just going to add 3 teaspoons of olive oil. I'm choosing olive oil because, in my opinion, it's probably the best type of oil to use. It's got very beneficial cholesterol lowering properties. A lot of research has been done into different types of oils, and olive oil has been proven to be one of the best types of fats to have in your diet. So I'm just going to put that in the dry mixture, mix that up. And then I'm going to use all the banana and egg mixture into the batter as well. And then we're just going to mix that up. Until it forms a nice sticky batter. So my batter's looking pretty good now. Still just holding its shape. Now I'm going to add some more frozen raspberries as well. Feel free to add any kind of fruit, frozen or fresh. Yeah, I really like raspberries, so I'm going to add them as well. You can also add blueberries or strawberries or anything really. So I'm going to add a few of those, probably about half a cup of those. And yeah, I'm just going to mix them through. Okay, so that's what my batter's looking like. Looks so good. Honestly, I could probably eat it like this. So good. I just thought I'm also going to add some vanilla essence. A bit more of a taste. Add a teaspoon of that, and maybe not even. Some cinnamon. Love cinnamon. So many antioxidant properties for cinnamon. So I put a hell of a lot of that in. And keep mixing that around. Okay. So, looking pretty good, pretty happy with it. Now, going to need muffin tin. You could also make this as a loaf if you want, but I just think it'll be easier. It's easier to eat for me if I just make a little muffin thing out of it. You can quickly just grab them as you go. I'm going to lightly spray this tray. Just going to use this one. And then I'm just going to start putting the mixture into the little holes, cupcake holders. Okay, so now I'm just going to put them in the oven. Just going to put them in for about 30 minutes, 35 minutes, and I'll check back in with you soon. guys, so I just took them out of the oven. They're looking so good. So I put them on for about half an hour. So they're just a great snack idea if you need a little afternoon get-me-up, or you can even have them for breakfast. You could even break it up, put it through some yogurt or something as a meal. Yeah, you can put any fruits you want in them, and yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I really enjoyed it, and now I'm going to enjoy 1 or 2 of these. Feel free to like this video, please subscribe, it really helps my channel. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. If you have any suggestions or any feedback, feel free to leave any comments down below, and I'll make sure to read them. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!